Supreme Court rejects Trump birthright citizenship push, upholds transports ban. The US Supreme Court dealt a major blow to President Donald Trump by rejecting efforts to limit birthright citizenship. Reaffirming protections under the 14th Amendment in a separate ruling, the court upheld state laws restricting transgender athletes from competing in girls' and women's sports. The twin decisions are expected to shape immigration and culture war debates ahead of the midterm election. Supreme Court to review state assault rifle bans and landmark gun right case. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear a challenge to assault weapon bans in Illinois and Connecticut. Setting the stage for one of the most consequential gun rights cases in years, the case centers on whether AR-15 style rifles are protected under the Second Amendment. The decision could redefine gun regulation nationwide and influence future state firearms laws. NATO launches major exercise off US coast amid political tensions in Washington. NATO forces have joined large-scale military exercises off the US East Coast as the alliance marks America's 250th anniversary. The drill involved warships, aircraft, and thousands of troops from multiple allied nations. The exercises come despite growing political skepticism toward NATO within Washington, underscoring the gap between military cooperation and political division. Freedom Trucks tour America for 250th anniversary with patriotic faith-based message. A fleet of 6 Freedom Trucks is traveling across the United States to celebrate the nation's 250th anniversary. The mobile museums feature interactive exhibits and messages portraying America's founding right as a gift from God, while supporters call the project patriotic and educational. Critics argue it presents an overly religious and politically charged version of the US history. Colorado Democrats prepare for progressive surge after left-wing victories elsewhere. Colorado Democrats are bracing for a new wave of progressive challenges following surprise left-wing victories in the New York and Maine. Several incumbents now face primary battles from candidates advocating Medicare for all and other progressive priorities. The contests could become an early test of the Democratic Party's ideological direction ahead of the 2026 midterm.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.